Hey Panthers, it's Miss Key coming to you live outside of the library. I want to show you some books we have available. Well, maybe not these, but if you are by the library this week, next week, you're going to see our machine is lit up. It is ready for you, and you will be learning about your AR levels, points that you need to earn to be able to get a golden token to spend on any book that you would like. We are so proud, and we want you to earn as many books as you can and enjoy the love of reading, and I cannot wait to see you spend your token.